Once you've logged into your Connect account with the email that I sent over, you will find this Bio 3161 course in your account. I've just named it this, but you can edit this as needed by clicking this wheelhouse and then edit section details. You'll go into the course and you'll find that it is an empty shell of a course. You can see the ebook, the practice atlas, but for looking into fills, you'll go into Add Assignment, Question Bank, and then you'll use this drop down to find fills, simulation, links, and question bank. And then here you'll find, like I said, the first option are the simulations, and then the rest are pre and post lab questions. So to go into the simulations, you'll just click select. And here are all the simulations. If you want to review any of them, click on the one you'd like to review, and then you'll click on the link within that question. And it should open up a new window and you'll jump right into the simulations. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.